Hello fam, this is Vrushali Kapoor and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to get beach waves or how to curl your hairs in just 15 minutes. So let's get started. So first of all, wash your hair properly and partially dry your hair, and then make 2 sections of your hair and 3 to 4 sections on both the sides and start making twisters with your fingers. And when you apply dryer on any of the part, then make twisters continuously so that every single hair can get the heat and it can get curled. Now don't apply blower on any single part of it and blow it the whole section so your hair won't get heated. In fact, you can also apply heat protecting spray. It's not necessary, but if you want to apply it, then I have mentioned the product in my bio section. If your hair are completely dry, then apply the straightener on every single twister so that it won't leave its shape. Now open the curls with your fingers, but do not use the comb. And here's the result. So guys, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please comment down below so that I can know that I should make this kind of more videos or not. And please do subscribe my channel for more. I'll meet you in my next video, and thank you. Bye.